everyone. Today I'm preparing a very nice smoothie with blueberries and bananas and almond milk. So it's like two ingredients along with the plant-based protein. So first we put the almond milk. Add the almond milk here. That's about 50 milliliters, about 3 cups. Then we add the frozen blueberries. About 200 grams, 250 grams of these frozen blueberries. Put them here, add them here. Then you add the bananas. Then you add the chia seeds. About 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. That's the plant-based protein. Put it here. You can also add a little bit of honey or some sweetness. See, for sweet is like this. Round the bread like this. A little bit. Then you blend for about 2 minutes. Serve for the morning, as that causes ingredients and healthy ingredients, and it's easy to make in less than 3 minutes. As long as you have all the frozen ingredients ready. This isn't so thick because I didn't add a lot of thick ingredients, so what you're gonna find that it's sort of almond milk on blueberry, so it's kind of very tasty. And boy, I guess I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.